Hello everybody, this is a short introduction to logarithms. Later videos will cover log laws and log graphs. What is a logarithm? Essentially, what you need to know now is that a logarithm is the inverse of an exponent. Let's look at this exponential equation here, for example. 2 to the power of x is equal to 8, where 2 is the base, x is the exponent that 2 is risen to, and 8 is the answer we yield when we evaluate 2 to the power of x. Essentially, what an exponential equation gives us is the answer when we raise a base to a power. So how does this link to logarithms? Notice here how x is a variable. We do not know the value of x. What a logarithm can help us is find the value of this exponent when we are given the base, and when we're given the answer after the base has been evaluated by the power of the exponent. And this can help us find the exponent of more complex exponential equations. A log comes in the form of log base a of b is equal to x, where a is the base, b is the argument, and x is the value of the exponent. To visualize this better, we can rewrite a log statement as such: a to the power of x is equal to b. So what this helps us to do is that we can find the missing exponent when we're given the value of the argument and the base. So let's use this for our previous example. 2 to the power of x is equal to 8. So we can write 2 to the power of x is equal to 8. And to write this in log form, we write it like this: log base 2 of 8 is equal to x. So what we're essentially doing here is 2 to the power of what is equal to 8. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 8. And what we're trying to find here is the value of x. So you can obviously do this in your calculator, but we can see here that 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. So x will be equal to 3. Now this is a very basic example of using logarithms. But what if we have a more complex logarithm, such as log base 8 of 93 is equal to x? How do we find x in this situation? How do we find the exponent that is raised to the base a to give the answer of 93? Well, if you have a calculator that allows you to input any base and any argument, you can easily put this into your calculator and get the answer. But most high school calculators only offer the option of log base 10. So how do you tackle this issue? Well, we can rewrite this log as x is equal to log base 10 of 93 over log base 10 of 8. How I like to remember this is that I put the big number on the numerator and the smaller number for the denominator. Now, since most calculators offer the option of log base 10, you can put this into your calculator using fractions, and you should yield the answer x is equal to 2.17971 ... Yep. So this is a basic introduction to logarithms, and how we can use logarithms to find the exponent on bases when we're given the value of the evaluated base exponent pair. Thank you so much.